What is up, everybody? Today we are going to explore the abandoned luxury homes of the Silverado community, often referred to as the town that never was. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so we're here at the abandoned mansions just outside of Kingman, Arizona. They're actually more like abandoned luxury homes, but we're going to go in as many as we can, and we're going to start with this one right here. There's the garage. Wow, take a look at that. Kind of looks like a dump now, but sheesh. Little fireplace, not a fireplace, but something like it right there. You could put a TV up there, or a TV over here. Put your books and CDs and records. This is awesome. Let's take a look back here. We're gonna kind of make things quick today just because I don't really know that we're supposed to be here, but I just couldn't pass this up. Cool. Looks like back here we just got some bedrooms, some shelves. You could put a pool table right here. Well, maybe not. Pool tables are like 6 feet, and this is cutting it close. Look at that ceiling fan. It's like the life has been sucked out of it. This would be, oh, birds. This would be a cool view though. You have this entire area as your backyard. You can see the Hualapai Mountains up there where the Gold King Mansion is. If you want to see that video, click the card up here. Oh shoot, glass. Watch out for the glass. Oh, I didn't see this. What do we got here? This must have been the bathroom, I would guess. Probably the toilet. I don't know what this is. Maybe it was, I don't know. If you guys know what this is, let me know. Alright, now we're gonna go take a look at the rest of the abandoned mansions. So much potential out here. These have been abandoned since 2008. And now we're gonna check out this one. This is my favorite one just because of that little overhang. And I've always wanted to go in this one. Taking lots of drone photos of it. Cool. Oh my gosh. Ooh, a lizard. All right, let's take a look at this one. Hello? Anybody here? We're just filming. Thank God. I was praying to God that no one would respond. Look at this. Dang. Most of the abandoned buildings I see are not this, well, this isn't well put together. It's been destroyed, but it's not doing too bad. This is amazing. That is awesome. I forget what the actual name of that is, but I'll put the name of it down here because I just can't think of it. It's not a fireplace, but I know there's an actual name to it. It's like back here we would have had a bedroom, some sort, little patio area. Back there, you can see where the overhang back here is completely fallen off. Crazy. Man, these homes would have been a beauty. Aw, man. We're gonna go in that one next, and that one's actually my favorite one out of all 6, so I can't wait. Poor glass window. Insulation back here. Maybe that's where they kept the water heater. Let's see what else we got. It's like another bedroom back here. Take a quick peek. These rooms just keep going forever and ever. Wow, they just go around and around. Oh, it looks like somebody busted the door down. You can tell those were cheap doors when they have that cardboard filling in there. Wow. There was another, yeah, this is the one I wanted to see. I caught a glimpse of this from the outside. The garage. There's definitely something. There's definitely something in the ceiling. I've been hearing things move. What's behind door number 3? Okay, now I'm pretty terrified. Hello? Anybody in here? I pray to God no one responds. If there is, we're just filming. Don't mean to startle you. Dude. One thing's for sure, all these houses have the similar style, the makeshift fireplace thingy-majiggy. Man, look at this. This would have been a cool patio too. You got the overhang back here. You could, you know, patio, table, chairs, a grill. This would have been awesome. There's just so many doors. All right, we'll just do a quick peek in each of them. Looks like this kind of had that boxy thing, whatever it is. Crapper back here, I'm almost positive. That's probably a crapper where you can plug in your phone, charge it while you're taking a dump. Maybe a shower back here. I don't know why that pipe would be sticking up though. What a view. Minus the debris, insulation. I mean, the foundation isn't too bad. All right. Got the garage here, of course. Big garage. You got the highway out there. Oh, I love the entrance to that one right there. The stone, it's pretty cool. Back in the patio, all the airsoft and paintball attire that they used. All right, let's go ahead and make our way to the next one. Look at that beauty. Love this architecture. Fascinating. All right, we're gonna knock and pray to God no one responds. Hello? Anybody in here? Please say no. Actually say nothing, because then that means there's somebody in here. Okay, I think we're good. Yep, same style as the other ones. Back patio. Look at that view though. You just wake up every morning, come out here, have your peaches and oranges or whatever your breakfast routine is. You got the Hualapai Mountains back up there. Pretty cool. All right, we'll do a quick walk through here, get all the content that we can. Man, it's like a maze in these houses. There's like so many different doorways. This is the bathroom, obviously. Someone punched that in. Jerks. That's the thing too, if you guys are ever exploring abandoned buildings, no matter how bad in shape they are, never add to it. Never cause any more damage or bust out the windows, because eventually, once they get bad enough, they'll just come and tear them down. Got the garage right here. All right, let's keep going. I am just so fascinated by all these. Bunch of birds everywhere. I haven't seen anything else other than birds. Bathroom. Oh God, it smells like piss and shit. You know why? Because there's piss and shit in there. Part of me makes me think this is like a hot tub or something, or some sort of tub up here, because they have a step. So maybe there was a tub up there. Luxury tub. Probably the crapper. Oh wow, look at this. We got a bunch of doors, cheap doors. It's hard to kind of imagine why they would want to put a bunch of cheap doors in such a multi-million-dollar home. It just doesn't make any sense. All right, we're gonna head in that house next, and then that one, and then we'll wrap it up. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to spend a few minutes in each just to kind of show you guys what each one looks like. All right, our second to last abandoned luxury home. Ooh, look, dung. All right. This one kind of sticks out amongst the rest. It's got that light shade of pink and the red roofing. I don't think we have to worry about anyone being in here. Always gotta be cautious though. Oh look, a sock. At least we can say we knocked. Hello? If anyone's in here, we're just filming. Not trying to step on your turf. Ah, amazing. Yep, same setup. That's usually kind of the thing in a lot of like communities though, where there's like specific like neighborhoods, gated communities. They all usually have the same style. Tell you what, you step out there in the sun, freaking roasting. You come in here, there's a little bit of a breeze because of that ceiling fan up there. It was moving a little bit. There we go. It's seen better days. It just looks depressed. Got another one over there. Wow. All right, we'll come back through this way and see what's over here. Man, pool table, bar, and then rock and roll posters everywhere if I had it my way, but this ain't Burger King. Yep, same style here. A bunch of glass, so if you need glass, not the drug, but like literally glass, there's glass there. Let's step around to the pisser. Aw, man, they could have at least put in a toilet. Maybe there were 2 pissers. Man, I barely have a toilet in my home. This place has 2. We're not gonna walk underneath that because there's probably a snake in there waiting to bite my ass. That's what it looks like up there. Like I say, that doesn't look too old at all. The wood's not rotting. No termites. I don't know if they have termites in Arizona. They probably do. All right, now let's go check out the garage. I think we can get to the garage by going through the living room. What a place to take a dump. All the bird and rodent droppings. Pretty good sized garage though. Wow, so much life. All right, let's take a look at this one. I really do like this color though, that orange. This one looks like it's probably the most beaten up out of all the homes. Just taking a look at the front of it here. The rest of the houses weren't this badly damaged. Ooh, can't wait to get in the shade. It cools off by like 10 degrees, I swear. Ah, perfect. Cool. Jesus. Gotta watch where you're walking. Can't be too careful in these parts. Let's check out the patio real quick. I would love to just come back here, maybe with like a couple friends, just park a couple of lawn chairs, just sit in the shade and drink cocktails. Ceiling fans hanging on. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, I saw 2 lizards. If you don't know what that is, well, yeah, I don't need to tell you. Back room. Let's see what else we got. Kind of anticipated that. Oh, this is cool. You put your shampoo right here. Another shelf way up there, which I don't know why you would need a shelf way up there unless you're like 6'5". I'm only like 5'11" myself, so that would be useless for me. So much in here. It's really sad when you think about it, like how much potential these places had. I mean, they were virtually finished. And if you go on Google Maps, if you can find this place, I'm not gonna reveal the exact location, but I think Google Maps might be a little outdated because if you do look on Google Maps, you can see where there was other foundations where it looks like they did have houses at one point in time. If I saw a lizard. Maybe not. Ooh, white powder. It must be cocaine. Maybe not. Ooh, books. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, books. Oh, hey, Care Bears. VHS. That's old school. Let's see what we got here. What's this? The Elven Bane, The Messiah Principle, Anthem, An American Story. What do we got here? Privilege, Leona Blair. Let's see what else we got here. We got Cycles of War, the next 6 years. I feel like these were left here on purpose. Sarah Strohmeyer, Bubbles Abroad. Maybe I'll have to check some of those books out. Maybe it'll tell me a little bit about who left them here. Or maybe they were just dumping them. Either or. All right, you guys know the drill. If you liked what you saw in today's episode, then definitely go ahead and go Will Smith on that like button and make sure you subscribe for more because I got a lot more abandoned buildings, places, you name it, coming your way. We'll see you guys in next week's episode. Take care.